Right, so today I've got this iPad mini in. Customer says it's been liquid damaged. There's no backlight at all. Oh, you can see just there, but I can't really see it. But basically, I've got it on charge at the moment, and you hold it under the light, just there at the end of my finger, just about. You can see the charging icon. Can't really see it under the camera, but anyway. So yeah, we'll take it apart and see what's blown up. Right, so I've just got it open. I think it's been open before because there's fingerprints all over the back. But anyway, that's the connector. You can see the corroded pins in the middle there. Some of the pins on that connector don't look very healthy either, to be honest. Right, so I took the bottom of the shield off to see what carnage is underneath it, and yeah, I wasn't really surprised, to be honest. I wasn't disappointed anyway. If you look at those black rectangle things in the middle, that's the backlight diodes, and as you can see, they have holes in them. Looks a bit of a mess, doesn't it? And then this capacitor down here, look at the state of that thing. So I'm guessing there's a short or lots of shorts. Fun. Right, let's see what we can do with this. So yeah, after some testing, lo and behold, there is shorts. So I'm going to inject some voltage into that and see what exactly is shorted on there. So I've taken the shorted diodes off there, and there is still a short. So it's not the diodes. I don't think it would be. It's usually capacitors that have shorted it. So we'll inject some voltage and see what we can see. Right, so we've found the shorted cap. It's this bottom one there that I've taken off. So what I'm going to do is to try and sort some of this other soldering out as well, because some of these caps are all proper rough looking. So I'm going to try and take them off and sort the pads out and stuff, and I think under that chip as well, I'm not entirely sure what that chip is off the top of my head, but the balls under that look pretty rough, so it'd be better if I could take it off and, or at least reflow it with some flux to clean it up a bit. But yeah, you should be able to put the diodes on now and the backlight should work. Right, diodes replaced. 1, 2. Replace that cap in a minute. So, does it work? Let's try it. Oh hey, we have backlight. There we go. So, result. It's all done. So, yeah, these are fixable even if they've had liquid damage. So, job done.